got the zoomies. Gonna get it's gonna get you. It's gonna get you. It's gonna get you. And then yes, she does like to play this game. It got you. Oh, now you're gonna do the spin cycle, are you? Yep, you're doing it. And yes, how many of you saw a dog that does this? Because I know for a fact my dog does it. And in case you guys are wondering, the reason Betsy does this is because she has a crop tail, and we did not crop her tail. She wasn't born without a tail. I think the breeder cropped her tail, and I think all of the puppies had a cropped tail. And they just wanted Betsy to look like her brothers and sisters. And another question is, a lot of people probably want to know, are you getting another dog? Well, the answer is, I don't know. One day we probably will get another dog, but right now Betsy's only not even 4 yet, and if we do get another dog, it will be a while down the road. And today is so sunny out. Like, let me show you outside. It looks like somebody's here. Betsy, who's here? Somebody's here. Who's here? Who is that? Who is that? Is that Grandpa? Who is it? Who is it, Betsy? Who's here? Who's here? Who is that? Who is that? Who's here? She's like, I'm so excited. This is what she does, and you guys don't really see it that often. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez, Betsy, you're crazy. Oh my God, don't you dare jump out the window. I know you're excited, Betsy. Who's there, Betsy? Calm down, Betsy. It's not that exciting.
Who's here?
It's Pop-Up. Who's here, Betsy? Who's here? Who is here? Who's here?